Do you want to make a horizontal calendar but can't seem to get it right? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a printable and horizontal layout monthly calendar using Canva. You'll be able to make it for free and it will take you less than 15 minutes. Because this calendar is in a horizontal layout, it will be way easier to create than a vertical one, but it will be just as cute. After watching this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own printable calendar, and it's a great product to sell on digital platforms such as Etsy to have a passive income if you don't want to make it for your own personal use. So let's go ahead and start with today's video. So, as always, I'm back on Canva's homepage. Now I need to go to create a design and go to custom size, change pixels into inches and type in 11 by 8.5. And once we have our custom size page, I'm gonna go to the Elements tab right here and just scroll down to find the shapes here. And if you can't find the shapes, you can always go to the search bar and type in shapes or square, which we will use right now. And you can use any type of squares that you're seeing here, but I like to keep it simple, so I'll go with this one. So click on your square up here, and you want to make it smaller so that each of them can mark one day at our calendar. This square will be the weekdays and I will use empty boxes for the weekends. Now, to evenly space out our boxes, I will select 7 of them and I'm going to hit position and tidy up. We will have to make 7 of them across and 5 of them down so that we can have 1 box for each day of the month. Now all 7 of our boxes are evenly spaced out. So to duplicate it, if you're using a Mac, you can easily hit Command and D, or you can just highlight the elements and click on the duplicate button right here. So I made this row, and instead of continuing to do the same for the rest of the page, I'll just go and select all 7 boxes and duplicate them, and I'll try to stay in the pink rectangle that you see here. You don't have to do this. I'm a little particular about this kind of stuff, so I will try to stay in the big rectangle, but it's definitely not a requirement. Okay, now that I've got all my boxes and they are aligned, and each of these boxes represent different days of the week, now we could add each day to each box we have right here. I'll go ahead and add them about the first row of boxes, which is my first week of the month. So let's do M for Monday, T for Tuesday, and so on. First add the M and then duplicate it and place it about every day of the week, and then I'll change the letters inside. So we've got all the days of the week here, and let's use the tidy up button to align them correctly. I want to change the color of the boxes because I really don't like this gray. You absolutely don't have to select them one by one and choose the color of each one. You can just change the color of all the boxes by selecting one of them, changing its color, and then you have to go and hit the change all button below. Now you can leave it like this or add the month above. I will not leave it like this. I like the way it looks, but we can also give it a little background. You could change the background color, or you could add a background picture. And the last thing I want to do here is to type monthly calendar right here. I'll also add month and year next to it. You should also add a little thin line next to month and year so that you could write what year and month it is. So yeah, this is basically how you make a calendar using Canva. Hopefully you actually learned how to make it, and hopefully you will use it to build passive income by selling these kind of digital products on Etsy. So if you like these kind of tutorials and like learning about Canva, then definitely like this video and make sure to hit subscribe. And if you have any questions about this tutorial, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Take care.